Your Tesla Model 3 takes a 19-inch wiper blade on the passenger side and a 26-inch on the driver's side. Once you have those from Costco, put your car into wiper blade service mode by going to service and clicking on wiper blade service mode. It'll pop them up a few inches so you can access them. To get the old blades off, push down on the button and pull out. Then you're going to look through all the adapters until you find one that has a C on it. What you really want is the B, but you take the C part off by pulling down with your thumb on this little thing at the end where the arrow's pointing at and kind of pulling it up. And underneath the C adapter is the B adapter. If you try to put it on with a C, you'll find that it's too fat and it just won't fit in there. If you've already put it on your wiper blade and discovered this and figured out you need to search YouTube to figure out how to do it, you can still access the B adapter even though after it's on your wiper blade. Do the same thing. Pull down with your thumb, pull up with your right hand on the C adapter, and you're left with the B. After that, you simply go back to your car. A little fiddly here because you're going to find that little tab at the top there wants to go over the top of the wiper blade arm, but push it down. Make sure you get it high enough to click in there. It will make a nice solid click once you push it in there. Wiggle it back and forth to make sure it's on there solidly, and you're good.